Welcome to Nelly's Creation. This is Nilanjana Sarkar and today I'm back with a new video and I'm going to discuss some super useful tips which is going to help you to learn English language in a much more effective manner. How do I learn new words? How do I improve my vocabulary? How do I acquire fluency in my communication skills? These are some of the questions which often haunt someone who is learning the language. And today I am coming here to discuss with you all the strategies that is going to help you to learn your vocabulary. But before that, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it till now, and also ring the bell icon so that you get a notification the moment a video is uploaded. So what is the first thing that you need to do if you want to improve your vocabulary? Yes, the first thing is you have to read and read. In fact, you can read anything and everything. I would ask you to experiment with all kinds of genres. Autobiographies, biographies, fiction, non-fiction, journals and even newspapers. The more you read, the better you can learn your vocabulary. And when you read, you will come across thousands and thousands of new words. So what do you do with those new words? You can maintain a scrapbook where you can write all those new words and do review those words from time to time. You can even use these words when you are communicating with your friends so that you can start even practicing those new words that you have learned. One of the benefits of using it with your friends or siblings is you will not feel embarrassed. In fact, you're going to be more confident. It is going to save you some embarrassment in case if you make mistakes. Also, when you learn a new word, do find its synonym. What are synonyms? Synonyms are different words with the same meaning. You can take the help of thesaurus, online dictionaries to find a synonym. And if you find a synonym of a particular word, always try to use that word as a substitute if it is irrelevant. But you need to be a little careful over here. Do not experiment with all synonyms because every word has its own application. Every word cannot be substituted. So synonyms are extremely helpful when you are learning new words, and try to use the synonyms when you have to use it in a specific context. The next thing that you can do is, of course, if you are a movie person, movies are very helpful if you want to improve your vocabulary. But always try to watch movies which has English subtitles. That is going to really help you to learn the language. Anagrams. Are you aware about anagrams? They are very handy. They are very effective if you want to learn new words. I'm going to give you an example. Let's take the word gentleman. The word gentleman is a 9-letter word. How many new words can you possibly make with this word gentleman? You can make gentle, man, 10, nag. In fact, you can make so many. Practice anagrams. You can have real fun in using these anagrams when you are at your leisure. You can, in fact, enjoy learning new words in a very fun manner. English is a very flexible language. In fact, if you look around, you will see hundreds of words which are evolving on a daily basis, and even a lot of words which are getting outdated. You need to pick up the relevant words which are being used if they are relevant, and in fact, if you are frequent in social media, you can even learn a lot of words from social media if they are applicable and relevant. Having a great vocabulary is indeed a matter of pride, and if you practice learning vocabulary with all the techniques and tips that I have suggested to you, I'm sure that it's not going to take a long time to learn and improve your vocabulary. And once your vocabulary is all set, you can just go and flaunt it. But remember, having a great vocabulary should also be coupled with your knowledge of prepositions, punctuation, grammar, and figures of speech. So that's how the entire circle can be fulfilled. So the tips that I have discussed with you all today, let me do a quick recap. The first thing is you're going to read, and read. Of course, reading is the most important thing if you want to improve your vocabulary. The second thing which I have mentioned is you can find out synonyms for the new words that you are learning. And apart from the synonyms, also maintain a scrapbook where you are writing all the new words that you are learning while you are reading. If you are a movie person, watching movies with English subtitles is also very effective if you want to learn the language and improve your vocabulary. Apart from that, anagrams, they are very helpful. You can learn the language, learn the new words in a very fun way, and it's going to be really interesting. Once you learn the new words, you need to also review them time to time. You can use those new words when you have to converse with your friend or with your sibling, because if, as I said, it's going to save you the embarrassment if you make any mistakes. And finally, just look around and pick up the words which are evolving frequently, because as I said, English is a very flexible language. However, it's not just vocabulary, but you also need to concentrate on your grammar, which should be impeccable. For that, you need a lot of practice, and you should have a clear concept of prepositions, punctuation, and other grammar concepts. So that was all today about today's video, where I discussed the strategies, and I'm sure you're going to implement these strategies. I would like to read your comments about your thoughts. What was your greatest takeaway from this video? So please do write in the comment section. I will be very glad to answer all your questions if you have any. And if you really want me to make a video on any concept that you have a doubt, please do write in the comment section. I've also given my links of my Facebook account, LinkedIn in the comment section in my video, the details. Please stay connected with me. I will be very glad to stay connected with all of you because you all are my greatest support. I am truly blessed to have so many support whenever I am publishing a video. So I really look forward to your comments, and do like and share this video if you feel that it can help someone, it can add value to someone. Thank you and have a great day. Stay safe.